Yes, so welcome back to another episode with myself, Luke. So it's Wednesday evening here in France. I hope you're doing well wherever you are. Yes, I'm coming to you a little bit later than usual, and I'm only going to do maybe a 5-6 minute video just analysing the Bitcoin price. Where are we going? What does this mean here? So these three candles just here. We're going to look at some lower time frames as well, because something I noticed today, it hasn't played out yet. So it's just my opinion, of course. None of this is financial advice, so don't trade based on what I say. It's just for educational purposes only. So we're going to jump into the charts in just a second. So just going over to CoinMarketCap, the fear and greed index, it's at 86 now. Yesterday, the day before, we were in the 90 zone. So we've just gone slightly back down, but we're still in the extreme greed on crypto bubbles. Altcoins are pumping. Some of the altcoins are down just 3 or 4%, not by much, but the rest of the space continues to rally. Maybe the reason why the altcoins are not just pumping yet, they will do if Bitcoin continues to consolidate. People are probably skeptical. Where are we going right now? So if Bitcoin continues to go higher, or it continues to consolidate where it is, then expect the altcoins to continue having major green days over the next couple of weeks. So I do expect to have a major rally, continue to have a major, because we've had a major rally already with altcoins over the last few days, few weeks, which has been incredible. And congratulations to all those that have crypto right now. So just jumping over into Bitcoin. So what am I seeing on the daily, first of all? Well, if you've been following me on my videos, I've spoken about the Bollinger Bands, so you can go and check out those videos over the last few days explaining that. I'm not going to go into that today. But yeah, we've come back inside the Bollinger Bands right now. So again, go and check out my latest videos. So I'm just looking at these three candle wicks here. Yesterday was insane because we saw... Somebody sent me a comment in my comment section that within 3 to 5 minutes, I don't know if that was true or not, that we went down from 69k all the way down to 59. So obviously we had a 10k dump, which is absolutely insane, but then we came straight back up. So when I first looked at this, I thought, it might be what we call railway tracks. So basically, a railway tract, or a railway road pattern, is made up of two candlesticks, and usually they have to be the same length or parallel. And so you have a green candle, and then followed by a red candle, and vice versa. So with this huge wick here, maybe it's not the case, but if we take away this wick just at the bottom here, because we closed that wick at 63k, it's pretty much, yeah, for me, I could be wrong, it looks like railway tracks, and right now we're forming another one. So if we come up a bit higher to 68k, then we've formed, yeah, railway tracks in my opinion. But again, in the comment section, let me know if you disagree. What are you seeing right now in the chart? So usually, just for your information, railway tracks are an indication that people basically don't know which way the market's going to go. So they're very skeptical at the moment. The bears start dumping, and then they realize they're in a losing position because it comes straight back up, and then they start buying again, and then we form these, or vice versa, basically bullish, they're in a wrong trade, and then they jump into a bearish, and so on. So that's when we see clear indication that the market doesn't know which way to go yet. So just jumping down into the lower time frames, I was looking at the 1 hour candles. Could we be forming right now a triple top, which wouldn't be, it's not great, because it means if we're forming a triple top, then yeah, we could dump back lower. And again, if we do dump, it's healthy for the market. Nothing goes up in a straight line. You look at the other bull runs that we had in the past, we always have 30 to 45% pullbacks. So expect it, it's going to come, it will happen for sure. 99.9% sure. Obviously Bitcoin does what it wants, but nothing goes up in a straight line. However, having said that, we have gone pretty much up in a straight line over the past few weeks, but I am expecting that pullback. So we had this top here. We had the second one here. We touched the 69k. Could we be coming up to this resistance again? Bearing in mind, this is very, very critical resistance, because as soon as we get past this into the 70k, we're at new all-time highs. So again, my opinion, I don't think we're going to go to new all-time highs just yet. I think we're going to have a dump very, very soon. But again, just my opinion. But looking at the technicals of that bullish pennant pattern, it is indicating a $75,000 Bitcoin. Let me just go back. There we go. It's a bit better. So this bullish pennant pattern here is indicating a 75k, almost a 75k price target. But going to the lower time frames again, just be careful if you're going to trade this. Maybe wait until we get past the $69,000 level with substantial amount of volume, and then you can put in a long position to that price target of 75k. We'll probably go, if we pass that point and we're at new all-time highs, then we're just going to shoot straight up because we're in the unknown. And I mean, whatever price target you want, I have no idea. It's just in the long term, I believe that we're going to over 100. We're going over into a six-figure Bitcoin for sure this bull run. Just be careful out there if you're trading. If you're dollar cost averaging, then continue to do so, and that's no problem. But if you're trading this, just maybe wait for a major pullback and then long it in a better price point or a lower price point. But the more we retest the resistance, if we keep testing it, then it's an indication that we're probably going to go higher. So yeah, I'm just looking at this triple top right now. Could it be a triple top, and then do we go to lower price targets? If you want to look at lower price targets, you can go and check out my video from yesterday. I used the Fibonacci retracement tool looking at the lower price points. So yeah, go and check out that video. So that's about it for Bitcoin. So yeah, I'm going to keep this line here, this golden orange line, just to indicate the Bitcoin halving. So the Bitcoin halving is fast approaching, and yeah, I expect a lot of volatility either this month or definitely in April when that halving happens. So in a nutshell, yeah, we're currently in it looks like hopefully we consolidate and we keep going across sideways. I mean, it would be good for the altcoins, because if we continue sideways, people are going to get bored of Bitcoin. As long as we don't dump and we continue to go sideways or slightly down, slightly up, or whatever, Bitcoin, people will start selling parts of their profits in Bitcoin and then putting them into the altcoins, etc., the mid caps, the lower market cap coins, into all sorts of crazy coins, and that's when you're going to have the Bitcoin dominance go lower, and in turn an altcoin season will really get into the swing of an altcoin season, which we've already been having anyway. So yeah, so just expect that if we go sideways, altcoins are going to pump. So that's about it for today. If you need more information on any coins, I'm going to try and in Bitcoin's just been going crazy. I haven't been doing a lot of videos with altcoins in gaming, in AI, but I'm going to try and do that later this week. So stay tuned for that. And if you have any comments, any altcoins you want me to talk about, maybe do technical analysis on where you think it's going to go, etc., put your comments in the section below. I'm always interested in what you guys think. So if you do want me to do TA on any of the coins, just let me know. Any research on them in gaming and in AI or in any crypto, that's no problem. So if you haven't done so already, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time with another video. Bye bye.